To clean the filters and intake on the CEM Smart 6, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. The first filter is located under the touchscreen. Pull out the sliding filter. Remove the filter and clean it using a brush or vacuum, as there are some issues with filters falling apart when being washed. Once the filter is clean or replaced, reinsert it and slide it back into place. The second filter is located under the magnetically held cover on the lid, directly behind and attached to the honeycomb-shaped cover. Remove the two Phillips head screws. Remove the honeycomb piece by pulling it straight up. Turn the honeycomb piece over and remove the metal piece by pulling it out of the slots. Clean or replace the filter as before. Reinsert the filter into the metal piece and reattach the metal piece to the honeycomb. Slide the honeycomb piece back onto the top lid and replace the two screws. To clean the vent intake, open the lid. Locate the vent intake on the back of the roof of the lid. Use a vacuum or a cloth to remove any dust or debris from the intake. Thanks for watching. If you're in the market for a top quality moisture solid analyzer, balance, or scale, be sure to check out our vast selection on our website, lissci.com. We've got new and reconditioned options available to suit your needs. And if you've got any instruments that need servicing or regular scheduled preventative maintenance, reach out to us at info@lissci.com or fill out our service request form on the website. We look forward to helping you get the most out of your equipment. Have a great day.